Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating and preparing the phone so provisioning goes smoothly. First, make sure MIUI is current and you have the carrier Esim QR or activation code visible. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or enable mobile data to fetch carrier profiles and backup contacts in case you swap SIM slots. Now open Settings and search for SIM cards and mobile networks. That's where the eSIM workflow begins. Tap Add eSIM to move to scanning or manual entry and follow on-screen prompts. Next, you add the profile. Choose Scan QR for the carrier QR or select manual input to type SMDP plus an activation code. When scanning, hold steady and allow Redmi's camera to capture the QR. Once detected, the phone downloads the profile automatically. If you manually enter details, double-check characters and punctuation. After download, you'll see the profile listed. Assign it as primary for calls or data, or keep your physical SIM active as a second line. Then reboot if prompted to finalize installation. Finally, activate and verify the eSIM. Open SIM settings, enable mobile data and voice for the new eSIM, and set data roaming rules if needed. Once enabled, restart your Redmi Note 13 to let the network register. Check signal bars and try a test call or data page load. If it fails to connect, re-scan the QR or re-enter details, contact your carrier for activation confirmation, and only if necessary reset network settings. That clears errors, but preserves your eSIM profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.